Eero Saarinen was born in Finland on August 20, 1910. From 1931 to 1934, he studied architecture at Yale University in the United States. He was a humanist and considered himself part of the second generation of the modern movement. Most of his work was done in the post-war years, beginning in 1945 and until 1961, when he died. He did not limit himself with doing just architecture. He also designed furniture as a tulip chair. We can see the 70s typical design with smooth textures and contrasting colors. Now we can see the case study house number 9, where a very simple design was made, combining different textures and colors. Short after the construction, the house was sold and modified. The Ark of St. Louis was another building by Saarinen. He chose to make a gigantic proportions ark, which would become a symbol of the city and later known as the Gate of the West. It is made out of concrete and stainless steel, and its construction took over 20 years. The General Motors Technological Center. This complex, conformed by 5 groups, each one with 25 three-story buildings, had to reflect the precision and the technology of a company like General Motors. Each facade was covered by various colored bricks. It is important to mention the stairs in the lobby of the Department of Investigation, which are suspended by steel bars as thick as a pencil. The Kreuz Chapel and Auditorium showed for the first time sculptural shapes in Saarinen's work. In front of the auditorium there is a chapel, with no windows and no religion. It is a space for individual retirement and reflection. The cylinder is covered inside and outside by bricks. We can see in the picture how light and the disposition of bricks gives such a great effect and such rich textures. The Miller House, with the influence of Mies van der Rohe, is a good example of how Saarinen managed natural lighting, creating much richer and interesting spaces. Then, the Trans World Airlines terminal at New York City is very organic shaped. It combined concrete with glass. The colors are the colors of the surroundings, and in the inside we can see again a strong contrast like red and white.